And now war brings many things with it, and two positive angles we're seeing will be discussed here today. The one navigating legal avenues amidst conflict is Decker Pex, Levy and Rosenberg Law Office's partner, Joshua Pex, here with us in studio. Joshua, thank you so much for being here with us today. How are you doing?
I'm good. It's great to be here.
Great. So can you take us into the first requests that came in? Why are so many people so eager to come live in Israel, to make an Aliyah right now during times of war?
So I think what happened is many people all around the world were sitting in front of the TV, watching the news, and seeing these horrific sights, unimaginable atrocities of Hamas, and thinking, we need to do something. Maybe they've been contemplating Aliyah for a while, or we're even getting emails, phone calls from people all around the world, Americans, UK, even African, Indian countries saying, we want to come to Israel, we want to help, we want to volunteer, people saying we want to join the IDF. Actually, we got a notice from Google that on our website there was a spike of 10 times the normal traffic regarding all kinds of words that have to do with Aliyah, volunteering in Israel. So this was a big surprise to me.
Wow, so we'll definitely go back to the IDF really soon. Now, do you know maybe the numbers, the differences between what was before the war and what is now? What's happening?
So there's a big increase in interest. I can't give you the exact numbers because we're only one website and on a private law firm, but we know that many Israelis, first of all, have come back. There's a big increase in people wanting to make Aliyah, and also many foreigners that are not even Jewish that want to come to Israel and help.
That's really something really beautiful about Israel now. As you said, many also non-Jewish people. How does it work with the law of return? Does anyone get precedence? How does it work in your firm specifically?
So first of all, obviously there is a law of return that either if you're Jewish or a child or a grandchild of a Jew, you can make Aliyah according to the law of return and get citizenship automatically. So that's sort of the overall way to immigrate to Israel and get citizenship. If you're not Jewish, there are different options for visas, working, investing, volunteering, obviously students, or even visiting.
And you also mentioned so many people wanting to draft to the IDF and non-Jews. We saw, if you saw in the recent days, like cowboys from Arkansas coming to Israel to work here, not in the IDF, but really in agriculture. How does it work from a legal perspective? Is it even allowed, non-Jews that want to come draft in the army? How does it work legally?
Yes, so it's not actually possible. So we're getting all these contacts from really usually ex-military Marines saying, I'm American, I was in Iraq, I want to come help you. But in Israel, it doesn't work like that. If you're Jewish or eligible for Aliyah, you can make Aliyah, receive citizenship, and join the IDF. It's a very well-organized program. There's a special program for foreigners who are Jewish or eligible for Aliyah called Machal. But if not, there are other ways to help. The Ministry of Health has issued that if you have a background in medical work, nurses, doctors, paramedics, they can help. Obviously, people can come here, volunteer, and donate money. There are different ways to help. But if you're not Jewish, a foreigner, then you can't join the IDF. That's not an option.
Of course, there are many ways to help, specifically now and here in Israel. Do you see also the other side, people who are seeking for help from your office really wanting to leave Israel now because of the situation?
Not that much. People are coming and going. Obviously, everyone has their own decision to make, but we are seeing some people that wanted a foreign passport or have started the process for German or Austrian passports, and now suddenly it became more urgent for them. But they have to understand that any process of immigration is something that usually takes a long time. So it's not like, we want to leave now and we're going to do it. So it doesn't work that way.
Something else we're going to have right now is your QR code on the screen. How can your office really assist? All the information will be in the QR code, but really from your part, how can your office assist in the process?
So many people who are seeking to make Aliyah can do it on their own. They actually get help from Nefesh B'Nefesh, from the Jewish agency, but there are always those that also run into difficulties. They don't understand the Israeli bureaucracy, or maybe they have real problems detecting documents or proving eligibility. Anything that has to do with immigration to Israel, if you run into trouble, we're very happy to assist. We're excited of helping people move to Israel.
That's great. That's definitely a positive angle we can say of this war. Thank you so much, Joshua, for joining us today, and you're welcome to go check it out. Thank you so much. Thank you.